Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram call not working. First of all, go for your messenger and choose that person whom you wanna call. Then if I go for call and it shows me open settings, you can go for this option open settings. It directly takes you on the Instagram apps info. You can go for also to your settings and then apps and notification and your Instagram apps, which is already here. Then here you have to go for your permissions. Now you have to make sure that your camera is allowed and also your microphone is allowed. Then go back. Okay, just refresh it and go to this message option, and after that you can call anyone. Okay, you can call anyone from here. So that's the process. This is how you can fix call not working on Instagram. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.